So in this video I'm going to show you how to buy crypto using Perfect Money on Binance. So once you're logged in on Binance Pro, just select the logo in the top left hand corner, select P2P, and in payment methods I'm using Perfect Money, but there are tons of others as well. So you can enter amount if you like. Once you hit confirm, just choose an available option. So as long as you see the buy button, that means it's a seller you can buy from, otherwise you'll see restricted. So select buy fiat, enter the amount. Now different sellers have different rates, so you'll be paying a small fee. It'll run you through these steps, then it'll give you the payment details. So then you're going to log into your Perfect Money account, select send money, single payment, and just copy paste the details. Then you'll just see this page. Just hit confirm on the bottom. You'll get this verification. Once it's sent, head back to Binance, select that you have sent the payment. It'll process and you should see this screen. So the amount you bought has been deposited, that's what it should say, and there it is. It'll be in your funding wallet. So to earn interest on your crypto, all you're going to do is click on earn, which is next to funding, and select the earn icon. So you'll see tons of different options to earn interest on your coins. I personally prefer the flexible, as you can withdraw anytime. And since I have USDT, which is Tether, I'll select Tether. So just select max, and that's how you start earning interest on your crypto. So what I'm going to do is not touch the current amount and see how much it earns in 1 month. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Also remember to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.